We're about to start our ferret camera right now. I'm logging in on our app and it should be connected. Perfect, we are connected. Get a rod on here to see what we're working with. That's gonna be a tight squeeze, but we'll get it in there. Alright, so we are in the vent. It's looking like flex hose, so I'm guessing there's a pinch with the flex hose. So we are going to go inside and take a look at that. Could be a dryer issue. So we're going to take that flex hose off, take a look. So, alright, let's move our way inside.